This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Welcome everybody to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for April 24th, 2007. My name is Ivan Caesar and this is the news. The National Association of Realtors reported sales of existing homes fell by 8.4% in March compared to February. It was the biggest one-month decline since a 12.6% drop in January 1989, another period of recession in housing. U.S. consumer confidence fell this month as rising gasoline prices affected how Americans feel about the possibilities of economic growth. The Conference Board said its Consumer Confidence Index dropped to 104 in April, down from a revised 108.2 in March. For stocks in the news, for the first time ever, Toyota sold more vehicles globally in a quarter than General Motors. The Japanese company sold 2.35 million vehicles worldwide in the first quarter, surpassing the 2.26 million vehicles GM said it sold in the period. AT&T said its profits doubled $2.8 billion in the first 3 months of the year, its first full quarter since completing its acquisition of Bell South. Their earnings amounted to 45 cents per share for the period ending March 31st, up from $1.4 billion or 37 cents per share a year ago. International Business Machines raised its quarterly dividend by 10 cents or 33% to 40 cents a share. BP reported a 17% drop in first quarter earnings on lower oil prices and declining production. Net profit for the 3 months ending March 31st fell to $4.6 billion from $5.62 billion in the first quarter of last year. Revenues declined 3% to $62.04 billion. Lockheed Martin, the nation's largest military contractor, said first quarter earnings jumped 17%. Lockheed earned $690 million or $1.60 a share in the 3 months ending March 31st, up from $591 million or $1.34 a share a year ago. DuPont reported net income of $945 million or $1.01 per share, up from $817 million or 88 cents per share in the first quarter of 2006. Excluding a one-time charge of $52 million or 6 cents a share related to antitrust litigations, earnings total $1.07 a share compared to 93 cents a share a year earlier. Scheduled economic reports for Wednesday include durable goods, new home sales, Energy Department oil inventories for the week of April 20th, and the Fed Beige Book. Scheduled earnings reports for Wednesday include UPS, Apple Computers, Boeing, United Airlines, Toshiba, General Dynamics, Airtran, GlaxoSmithKline, Black & Decker, Nissan Motors, Anheuser-Busch, PepsiCo, ConocoPhillips, Taser, Hertz, Pulte Homes, and Tractor Supply. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for April 24th, 2007.